Finding the best microwave cart can make a huge difference in keeping your kitchen organized and functional, especially if counter space feels tight. A good microwave cart not only holds your microwave securely, but also adds extra storage for cookware, utensils, or small appliances. I've tested several carts in US homes and apartments, and I've learned that stability, size, and durable materials are key to making daily cooking easier. Some carts even double as prep stations, which is a game changer for busy families or dorm-style kitchens. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 7. Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart. I use this rolling kitchen microwave cart when space feels tight. The multi-use storage cart works beyond the kitchen. I've rolled it from coffee corner to home office with ease. The lockable smooth wheels keep it steady once placed, which really helps on tile floors. I also like the wood metal frame because it feels solid and easy to clean. The size fits a microwave well and still leaves room for extras. Hooks are handy for towels and mugs. Assembly was quick and simple. The only small limit is shelf height for very tall items. Still, for daily use, this cart stays practical, flexible, and easy to live with. Number 6. Superjare Kitchen Baker's Rack. I added this baker's rack when my outlets were always busy. The built-in power outlets are a real win. I plug in my coffee maker and toaster without moving them. Mornings feel calmer. The removable height shelf helps a lot. I adjusted it to fit my microwave and tall jars with no stress. The vintage wood grain gives the rack a warm look that blends well with modern US kitchens. The open shelves keep everything visible and easy to grab. The side hooks are great for mugs and spoons. Assembly was quick and clear. The frame feels strong and steady. The only small downside is the shelf depth for very large appliances. Still, this kitchen baker's rack with power outlet saves space, reduces cord mess, and makes daily cooking feel more organized and smooth. Number 5. Microwave Kitchen Cart with Push Handle. I started using this microwave kitchen cart when my counter space ran out, and it quickly became a daily helper. The adjustable mid-shelf made setup easy because I could fit my microwave on top and a rice cooker below without crowding. I move it often, and the lockable rolling wheels glide smoothly and stay firm when locked. The vintage wood iron build gives it a warm look that fits well in most US kitchens and small apartments. The 3-tier layout holds snacks, coffee gear, and spices in one spot. The push handle feels natural when rolling it around. Assembly was quick and clear. The frame feels strong and steady. The only small downside is the shelf depth for very large appliances. Still, this rolling microwave kitchen cart keeps things organized and adds flexible storage without taking over the room. Number 4. Kitchen Rolling Cart Microwave Stand. I've used this cart in both my kitchen and home office, and it's surprisingly handy. The multi-room versatility lets me move it from microwave stand to coffee cart with ease. The locking caster wheels roll smoothly and stay put when I need stability. I also like the scratch-resistant MDF top, which wipes clean after daily use. The 3 tiers hold dishes, towels, and small appliances without feeling crowded. The side hooks are perfect for utensils and dish towels. Assembly is simple and quick. The metal frame feels solid, though very heavy items can make it harder to move. Overall, it's a practical rolling cart for small spaces and everyday storage needs. Number 3. Yaheetech Kitchen Island Cart. I used this cart in a tight kitchen, and it quickly became my extra set of hands. The lockable swivel wheels make it easy to roll out when I need prep space and lock in place when I'm cooking. I love the smart storage layout. The drawer, cabinet, and open shelves keep clutter off my counter. The side hooks are great for towels and oven mitts. The wood grain finish looks warm and fits well with modern US kitchens. It feels sturdy for daily use and easily handles small appliances and pantry items. Assembly takes some time, so patience helps. The cabinet space is compact, but it's enough for basics. If you want a kitchen island cart that adds storage, moves smoothly, and looks good doing it, this one feels practical and easy to live with. Number 2. Whitmor Supreme Microwave Cart. I've tested this microwave cart in a small kitchen, and it instantly made the space feel more organized. The compact space-saver design works well for apartments and dorm rooms, where every inch matters. I also appreciate the locking wheel system, which lets me roll it around easily and keep it steady during daily use. The multi-use storage rack is practical for holding a microwave, plates, or even a small coffee setup. The metal frame feels lightweight, yet durable for normal kitchen needs. It's not meant for heavy appliances, and the shelves are simple. Still, that simplicity is what makes it useful. If you want a microwave cart that is easy to move, easy to fit, and easy to live with, this one does the job without stress. Number 1. Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen Rack. This microwave cart surprised me in a good way. I used it in a small US apartment kitchen where space is tight. The solid chrome frame feels stable, even with the microwave on top. I love the adjustable shelf height because I could fit tall appliances without stress. The locking caster wheels make it easy to move, then keep it steady. It also works great as a pantry or coffee station. Assembly is fast and tool-free. The only downside is the wood top feels basic. Still, for the price, it's a very practical and reliable microwave cart. Final verdict. After testing all these microwave carts, my top pick is the Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen Rack. It delivers solid stability, adjustable shelf height, and locking caster wheels that make daily use effortless. I've used it in tight US kitchens and apartments, and it stays sturdy even with a microwave, coffee station, or pantry items on top. The tool-free assembly is a bonus for busy days. If you want a budget-friendly choice that still delivers practical mobility and simple storage, the Whitmor Supreme Microwave Cart is worth considering. Its compact design and easy roll-around setup make it especially good for dorm rooms or small space solutions. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the microwave cart that fits your style and kitchen best.